Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. This channel is an honest effort to share with you my passion for cooking both international and desi cuisines which will be healthy as well as tasty. If you like my channel, please do comment, subscribe and share.
Hello everyone, today I am going to show how to make chital fish gravy in mustard seeds and poppy seed paste. So this, as you can see, this is chital fish which I have lightly fried. For the ingredients you need, this is poppy seeds and this is mustard seeds. So you need to finely paste it. Here you can see this is the poppy seed and mustard seed paste which I have made into fine paste. Then you will be needing onion, ginger, garlic paste and also mustard oil, some mustard oil. It's very simple recipe. First we'll add some mustard oil. I'll add some onion, ginger, garlic paste here. Around 3 to 4 teaspoons you can add onion, ginger, garlic paste. So after some time you can see my onion, ginger, garlic paste is it changes color. It has become brownish. It's fried properly. I'll add here some salt and haldi powder. So salt, some turmeric powder, and some jeera powder. This is cumin seed powder. Now I will add this poppy and mustard seed paste. If you want, while you are making this paste, you can add green chilli also if you want. Add some water. I'm going to add here half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. I'll add some more water. And bring it to a boil. Once the gravy starts boiling, you can add the fish into it. Just slowly, one by one, you can add the fish here. Cover this, let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. So as you can see, after 6 to 7 minutes, my fish is almost cooked. Also here I like to add one thing. While you are grinding the mustard and poppy seeds, be careful, because sometimes mustard seeds, when you grind it, sometimes it tastes bitter. So the quality of the mustard seeds should be good. And also while you are grinding, just add a pinch of salt to it. And here the proportion of poppy seeds is like, I have added 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. So you need to balance properly. So I'll be adding here a pinch of sugar just to balance the taste. At this point I'll be adding 2 green chilies. You can slit it or you can put it here whole. I have slitted this one and I have kept this whole. So it's almost done. You can now turn off the flame. So and I will now garnish with some coriander leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves. So before serving, just add a dash of mustard oil. That will give a good aroma of mustard oil. Just 1 teaspoon is enough. So here it goes. My fish, my chital fish in mustard and poppy seed paste is ready. You can enjoy this with steamed rice. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, and give your comments. Thank you.